Hi, thank you for choosing Palmtech.
In this quick video tutorial, you will learn how to access the Report Designer feature, customize your report cover image and ratings design, preview your changes, and publish the final version. First, start by accessing your Palmtech account. Once you have accessed, navigate to the option located in the upper right corner. Click it and select Settings. Once you access the main settings page, you will see several options. Locate the option titled Report in the lower left corner. Once you access the Report settings page, you will see two tabs, Interactive Report and PDF Report. Select Interactive Report, then choose the green button titled Open Report Designer. This will take you to the Report Designer feature. Inside the Report Designer, on the left side, you will see two sections, Featured Image and Ratings. Let us begin with the option titled Featured Image. In the Featured Image option, you will find four options: Default Image, Full Width Image, Image Gallery, and No Image. Default Image displays the property image using the standard design and default size. Full Width Image expands the cover photo across the entire page width. Image Gallery shows the main cover photo along with four smaller images from the report. No Image removes the cover photo from the cover page. Next, select Ratings on the left side. You will see two options, Color Blocks and Color Flags. These two options display your ratings in different formats. Color Blocks displays ratings as colored blocks. Color Flags displays ratings as flag indicators. Both options include a toggle called Include Overview. This option shows the number of items within each rating. When enabled, Color Blocks displays the counts at the top of the report. Color Flags displays the counts next to each rating title. This allows you to choose how ratings appear for your clients. In the upper right corner, you will see three options: Save, Preview, and Publish. Save stores your changes without making them live. Preview shows how the report will appear and temporarily hides the left menu. To restore the menu, click the icon on the left side. Finally, the Publish option will immediately apply your changes across the entire system. These are the main features available in the Report Designer. You now know how to customize your cover image and ratings, and how to save, preview, and publish your report. This gives you full control over how your report appears to your clients. Thank you for choosing Palmtech. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team via chat, email, or by phone at 888-736-2462.